Morning, people. Sorry about the low light level, but it's actually just gone 4:30 in the morning. I've just finished work and I've decided to do a quick video, something I don't normally do. I'm doing some fast food review. I'm actually at McDonald's in Goole and I'm going to review the new Grinch range. Not normally what I eat, but it's something a bit different, something I just quite fancy trying, see if it's any good. I'm going to take it, I'm going to get it as a takeout, take it home and see what it's like. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Surprised there's a few people around at this time. Always amazes me. But yeah, I think this came out yesterday, so let's go and have a look and see. Let's go and have a look and see what it's like. So you've got it here as the Grinch menu. Right, I'm going to have that. Oh look, you get some socks included. So we're going to have one of them. Got to have a large, haven't you? Let's have these Grinch fries and Grinch frozen lemonade. And we're going to try... I'm not a massive McFlurry fan, so let's give one of these little ones a try. And the grumble pie. And that's pretty much it for the Grinch meal. So view me order. Don't want any of them. Not today. And let's pay for that. Right, we've got the old Grinch theming going on. They've got that double Big Tasty going on. Now I have heard people moaning that the Big Tasty has actually shrunk in size, and somebody got one at work today and it's actually more like a quarter pounder, because the Big Tasty was my favourite burger in here without a doubt, and it was massive. It was more like a Whopper, I think. But now looking at it, I won't get it because it's just basically a quarter pounder, so what's the point? But with Big Tasty sauce, very disappointing. But yeah, in the news, loads of people moaning about it, so that's Big Tasty now off the menu for me anyway. Not that I come here often anyway. This is what gets me. No offence, but it's absolutely dead in here. Clear this up. You know, I mean, the bin's absolutely rammed to hell. I'll be honest, the tables are actually pretty clean for once, but I've come in here before 6 months ago and it was an absolute bin. But come on guys. Right, well there we go. Drinks. And lots of goodies in there to take home. Right, so we've got green lemonade. We've got the mini Mischief McFlurry, it's called. But first off, let's get into here. Right, you've got a shaker bag. And you get one of these, which is, oh, that way around. It's a Grinch salt. got to be honest, not the biggest portion of chips I've seen. That's actually a medium, and I actually had a large. I ordered a large, but never mind. So stick your fries in there, and this is gherkin flavoured seasoning. So we'll rip that off, and we'll. It does smell of gherkin, like you get on the burgers, really strong. If you can see that in there. Can't really tell the difference, but let's see what they taste like. Obviously ice cold, because they're from a good 15-minute drive away. What do they taste like? Right. The chips. McDonald's chips, get them as a takeout, doesn't work because they steam in the bag and then they go all, you know, like that. Garbage. The flavour though is a bit gherkiny. It's a little bit like Monster Munch pickled onion. They're okay. Not horrendous, not amazing, they're just okay. Right. So this is the Grinch Big Mac. What the difference is, I have no idea whatsoever. But does that look any different? Pickles, maybe it's the sauce that's on it, but let's give it a go. Oh no, I can't say that. That's Gary's. Of course, they don't put any napkins in there. That's always great. That just tastes like an ordinary Big Mac. It's a Big Mac. I can't hardly taste any different. I don't know. Right. Disappointing so far, I've got to be honest. Just on both of those. Right, let's hope this is a bit better. It's green shake. Have a look at that. So far, that's the best thing in it. That's a thumbs up. It's got like a melony flavour, lime flavour to it. That's the best bit so far. And then we've got grumble pie. So it's a green short crust pastry pie with a spiced apple and cranberry filling and a custard filling, served hot. God, these are just nowhere near as big as they used to be. I haven't had one of these pies in 2 decades, and I'm sure they were about that long. But just like the Big Tasty, everything's getting smaller and more expensive. So that's what you get. So it's green, obviously. Smells like a sugared donut. So you got the berries in there, and you got the custard here at the end. That is actually really nice. I know green isn't particularly appetising, but that's pretty good. Put that one side, causing a mess. Right, last but not least, we've got this mini McFlurry, Mischief McFlurry. It's got like green bits in it, red bits. I'm not a huge McFlurry fan, if I'm honest, so let's have a look. Nice crunchy bits. I mean, it's got like this red jelly in it as well. I mean, what do you think? I've got to be honest, at first I thought, nah, nothing special. But when you get to that like red jammy sauce in it, it's a lot better. There's quite a lot in it actually when you stir it up. That is good. So overall, the savoury stuff, average. Big Mac's just a Big Mac. The fries are nothing to write home about. The pie's definitely a thumbs up, really nice. And the McFlurry, yeah, good overall. So, I mean, it just came to over, I think it was just under 16 quid. Not particularly great value for money. Would I have it again? Probably not, to be fair, because like I said, I'm not a MacD's fan. But anyway, I'm going to go and finish this off, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments below and let me know what you think about the Grinch meal. See you later.